Hello! This is how you can find references located in the EBSCO databases. First, you can just go to the SWIC Library search widget, type in your topic, and make sure that the EBSCO database is selected. Then you can click Go. Once you get your results in EBSCO, you will see your main page with all of the articles that have been retrieved in the center. The total number of items that have been retrieved for cybersecurity is 64,135. Now, how do you find the articles that have the references cited? To do that, there are only 3 of the SWIC collections in EBSCO that have access to that information, and you have to connect to them one at a time. So when you do a search and you're looking in several collections, it doesn't show you that information. To access it, you can go up to the link up here that says Choose Databases. Now, the 3 collections that will show you cited references are Academic Search Complete, also CINAHL, which is a medical database, and GreenFile. If you select all 3 and say OK and try to view the references, it will not show them to you. You have to do it only one at a time. So if I just leave Academic Search Complete selected, I can click OK. From this page right here, this is the beginning search page for EBSCO. You'll see that it's only searching one collection, Academic Search Complete. And to look for the references, I can come down here to the search option, which is part of the advanced search section, and select References Available. After checking that box, I can click Search. And you'll see in the search results, I've gone down from a really large group to just 245. Out of these 245, you will see right above, if it's full text, right underneath where the author and the journal title are listed, there is going to be a cited references link. And you'll see that as you go down the page. You can click on this and look at the cited references and do some exploring. To view the records related to the article shown above, check the box. So if any of these look interesting and you want to read them, you can check the box right here. Click on Related Records, and then it'll show you this particular article. You can go back to the View Cited References list by clicking on this link right here. Now, if you wanted to go and search one of the other collections, you can go back to our main results page. I'm clicking the back button a couple of times. I can go back up to Choose Databases. I can change it to the GreenFile, which will also retrieve references. Select it as a standalone collection to search, and then click the Search button. First, before I do that, I want to make sure I do the References Available checkbox. Sorry about that. Click Search, and then you'll see I get, out of these, I get 17 articles that have those. So just know that that's how you can see that in this particular database.